Hello students, welcome to 8th standard. Now we are going to the topic English second paper prose comprehension. Prose comprehension, page number 92. See, the word comprehension means understanding. In the examination, an unknown passage is given and you are asked to find and write a correct answers for 5 questions based on the text given. Second step to be followed. Read first one. Read the given passage carefully till you understand clearly. See, any one paragraph is there. You one or two twice times you read, then only understand and clearly. Second one, expressing the answers in your own words using short and simple sentence without mistakes. Okay, expressing the answers in our own words using short and simple sentence without mistakes. Third, avoid reproduction of the text. See the action or process of making copy of something you write. Fourth, use the same tense as given in the question. Fifth, the check up your answers for correctness of details and language. Okay, see, these are the steps. Next one, here one model is there. We think food maintains and saves life. Seldom do we realize that it destroys as well. Good and proper food nourishes our body. Improper food causes disease. We call ourselves civilized, but we fail to observe the norms about the quantity and quality of food. We have become slaves of our tongues. We go in for processed timed food. We have no time to cook and eat, nor leisure to stand and stare at nature. We attend a party every other day and eat much sweet items. The refined sugar and processed food have opened the doors for diabetics. Our children enjoy chocolates, cakes and ice creams. This invites obesity and diabetes. See, one paragraph is there. How does food destroy life? See, in this paragraph, here an answer is inside here. Okay, one or two times read, then only understand. Okay, see, first question, how does food destroy life? How does food destroy life? Improper food destroys life. Okay, correct time is morning 9 o'clock or afternoon 12 o'clock. Correct time, fixed time you must eat. See, improper food destroys life. Second question, why do we go for processed and timed food? We have no time to cook and eat. Okay, nowadays people are busy, no time to cook and eat, so we go processed and timed food. Okay, see, third question, what are the causes for obesity and diabetes? What are the causes? Like, see, we eat much sweet items, refined sugar and processed food. They cause obesity and diabetes. Okay, see, find the word which means being fat. Obesity. Okay, obesity means, see, especially fat. Okay, see, one paragraph is there, 5 questions down. See, you related the question, first read, next related to answer in this paragraph. Okay, so next one, exercise. Late in the afternoon, Swami Vivekananda was to speak on Hinduism. In that great meeting, he was dressed in the yellow robes of a sannyasi. When he came and stood before the people, they were charmed by his appearance. He was silent for some time, and then he felt a divine power in him and began his speech. He addressed the gathering as sisters and brothers of America. People clapped and gave him hearty cheers. When the clapping ceased, Swamiji spoke of Hinduism. He said that all the religions of the world were the same. They were all true. Only the path leading on the whole were different. He also said that Hinduism regarded every man, woman and child as a part of God. To a Hindu, service to humanity is true worship of God. See, in this paragraph, late in the afternoon, okay, see, Swami Vivekananda was speaking to Hinduism. Swami Vivekananda one day speak to Hinduism. In the great meeting, he was addressed the yellow robes of sannyasi. Okay, see, Swami Vivekananda wear the dress yellow robes, you know, okay, loose or the garment. Became and stood before the people. They were charmed by his appearance. Okay, see, look at the people. Vivekananda's appearance and charmed. Okay, he was silent for something and then he felt the divine power him and began his speech. Okay, see, religion people related to religion people and speak to Hinduism. He addressed the gathering sisters and brothers of America. See, he addressed who? Swami Vivekananda addressed collect the gathering, say, sisters and brothers of America. People clapped. Okay, all the people cheerful and happy to clap. When the clapping ceased, Swamiji spoke on Hinduism. Okay, see, this people finish the clapping. See, next they continue the preach the Hinduism. See, he said religions or word were the same. They are all truth. Only one path. Okay, only one path. Local, the goal were different. Okay, achievements of different. He also said the Hinduism regarded every man, woman or child as a part of God. To a Hindu, service to humanity is true worship of God. Okay, in this paragraph. See, questions. First questions. Why were the hearers charmed by Swami Vivekananda appearance? He was dressed in the yellow robes of sannyasi. Okay, he was dressed in the yellow robes of sannyasi. Second one, how did he address the people of that meeting? He addressed the gathering as sisters and brothers of America. What did he say about all the religions of the world? All were true path, were different, but the goal was one. Okay. What was his opinion about the Hindu religion? Every man, woman and child as a part of God. How was received by his hearers? People clapped and gave him heartily cheers. Okay. See, this is the prose comprehensions. Okay. Study students. One or two times read. Okay. Thank you students.